Good day everyone, my name is Kurt Joshua Paguntalan and now I will be performing damp dusting. So, what is damp dusting? Damp dusting is a process of removing dirt and bacteria from flat surfaces using a damp cloth or sponge. So, what I need to do? Here's the equipment. First is the basin with water. Second is liquid. Third is the mineral oil. And the last is the several pieces of dusting cloth. Cloth for dry, cloth for wet, cloth for soap, and cloth for mineral oil. So now, itabi muna natin to sa kabilang lamesa kasi maglilinis tayo ng table. So, kuha tayo ng towel. Ikutin lang natin. Paganyan. Paganyan. Lagyan natin ang soap. At pupunas natin right to left. So, kuha agad ng dry cloth para matuyo. Kuha ulit ng wet cloth. Yan yung gagamitin para magpunas sa gilid ng table. And kuha agad ng dry cloth at ipunas sa may side ng table. And that's how to damp dusting.